At some point in our lives, we've all felt unmotivated. Maybe it's right now, or maybe it's a feeling that follows you every single day. And here's the thing, without motivation, getting started on anything, big or small, feels almost impossible. The word motivation actually comes from the Latin term movere, which means to move. So, motivation literally means moving towards something better, something more fulfilling than the life you have right now. But here's the question, if the destination is worth it, why do we still feel stuck? Why do we struggle to take the first step, let alone keep going? The secret lies in understanding the 4 types of motivation: intrinsic, extrinsic, pain, and pleasure. Intrinsic motivation is the kind that comes from within. It's doing something simply because it feels good, enjoyable, or satisfying. Think about it. If you love playing basketball, you don't need anyone to tell you to get on the court. A simple message from a friend or even the thought of shooting hoops is enough to get you moving. On the other hand, extrinsic motivation comes from outside factors: money, fame, grades, or social recognition. Most of us experience this every day at work. You might not love your job, but you do it anyway because it pays the bills, gives you security, or keeps you socially respected. In other words, external rewards can push you to take action even when intrinsic enjoyment is low. Now, intrinsic and extrinsic motivation are closely linked to the next 2 types, pain and pleasure. The pain of failure, the fear of being fired, or the shame of letting yourself down can push you out of bed even on the hardest mornings. Conversely, the pleasure of achieving something, like finishing a binge-worthy TV series or reaching a personal goal, can keep you up late into the night, even when you know you'll pay for it with sleep. Here's a crucial insight: pain is usually a stronger motivator than pleasure. That's why quitting bad habits is so hard if your only motivation is the hope of feeling better. But introduce a serious consequence, like a health scare, and suddenly change happens almost overnight. Pain forces action in a way pleasure alone rarely can. Similarly, intrinsic motivation is more sustainable than extrinsic motivation. Doing something because you enjoy it keeps you going longer than doing it just for a reward. The real power comes when you combine all 4 types of motivation. Let's take a practical example: learning to play the piano. Imagine you genuinely love playing, it's intrinsically satisfying. Then, you add an extrinsic reward: teaching students who are willing to pay you. The pleasure of playing and teaching is already high, but now, consider the pain of never pursuing your creative passion or being stuck in a dead-end job. That pain adds urgency. Even if you start with just 1 student and slow monetary growth, intrinsic motivation, the love of the craft, keeps you going. And over time, the combination of pleasure, pain, intrinsic joy, and external reward creates a feedback loop that strengthens motivation. The key takeaway: when your reasons to start outweigh the comfort of doing nothing, action becomes inevitable. The more you link pain to inaction and pleasure to the process itself, the stronger your drive becomes. So how can you apply this to your own life? Associate massive pain with not starting. Imagine the consequences of inaction. What will you lose if you don't take the first step? Make the activity itself rewarding. Love the process, not just the outcome. Playing a sport, learning an instrument, or writing can become its own reward. Layer extrinsic rewards strategically. Small incentives can keep momentum up when intrinsic motivation dips. Use both pain and pleasure wisely. Fear of failure and the joy of progress can work together to create unstoppable motivation. And remember, motivation is only the first step. Habit is what keeps you moving forward. As Olympian Jim Ryan once said, motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Motivation isn't some mysterious force, it's a combination of factors you can understand and harness. When you align intrinsic joy, extrinsic rewards, pain, and pleasure, taking action becomes natural. So today, find that one thing you love, link it to a meaningful outcome, and take the first step. The rest will follow.